Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Messenger pin code. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. First of all, you need to open your Messenger application and then you need to make sure you're logged into your account. So after that, in this interface at the top left corner you need to click on the 3 lines button, here it is, and then at the top right click on the settings icon. Then you will see this list of options. You need to find privacy and safety option, here it is, and then in this list of options you need to find end-to-end encrypted chats. Then you need to click on the message storage, and then in this list of options you need to find blue button reset pin, and then in this interface you need to create your new pin code, for example this pin code. After that you need to confirm your pin code, and then as you can see your new pin code will automatically reset it. So and that's all, and that's how to reset Messenger pin code. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.